Welcome everybody to Carol's Art Room. Well, I'm having a trying afternoon trying to get my bloom. I get my bloom working without all those white big cells that come up. I think my pillow paint was too thin. So I've mixed it with some other purple violet paint that I had, eggshell. I've thinned my colors down, so I'm hoping it works better this time. My gloves are full of paint. I've been working at this for a while. Okay. I'm trying a certain color combination because I really like it and I want to make a backsplash out of a bunch of tiles for my cottage. So I'm just trying to work out the right color combination. As soon as I get this pillow paint to work properly. All right, so this is my golden teal. I'm going to switch a couple of colors. I think I'll do Deco Art Pearl White. This one is this little piggy mermaid. Whoa, this one is thinner. Oh, I thinned that one down a lot. And then I have, that's this little piggy mermaid plus some Pebeo blue-green. And then this one is Meaden Silver and Modern Masters Silver mixed together. Now, did I do all my colors? Yeah. Let's try it again. Well, I didn't get any white this time. That's a good outcome. I switched a couple of colors. I don't know if that made a difference, but my colored paints were a little thinner too, so. The gray was on the top underneath the cell activator. That's why I have a lot of gray. Which I don't know if I like that much gray. But okay. Well, we'll see what it's like when I spin it out. Well, it's all moving, and that's good. Wow. That's nice. But do I like it for my backsplash? I don't know. Scoop this into my cup, save it. My container. Spin some more. I don't know if it'll go with my counter. My counter has brown in it. So I'm thinking maybe I'll take the gray out and try Van Dyke brown. I did that earlier, but I had gray and brown and it was too dark. So all right, see if this is moving at all. It's moving a little bit. Well, you know, I'm gonna let this dry and see how it dries, see if I like it. All right, I'll put the dried result at the end of the video. Have a great day. Everybody, this is a very pretty silver and turquoise. Dried really good. Nothing moved. Thanks for watching.